1 minute, let me record. Okay, good afternoon, all reached?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
All reached, okay, only 25. See, good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So what I used to do is, your bar graph from the graph paper, only sometimes your graph is, the graph paper is very big one. And sometimes your bar graph only very less space, very less space. It will take very less space. And what I used to do is, I will tell the students to cut the bar that graph, only that piece, and paste in your notes. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, sometimes, 1 minute. I will show one question like that, okay? Tomorrow, next class, I will show. I have some notes with me. So I'll bring the graph and show you, okay? So here, sometimes here is our question. Draw the bar graph, draw, and here is the table in the notes. Okay.
Ma'am, I can see the
And,
board.
hello, from your bar graph, you have to cut and paste here under this.
Ma'am.
Did you hear me anything?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. I will show the, your bar graph is there in your graph book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Your video stuck. Connectivity problem, I think. Power failure. Ma'am has sent one question to write.
In the WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Were
ma'am.
you very happy when the teacher is not there?
No, ma'am, we were writing the question.
I sent you one question, no?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was the
A
question?
survey of 120
120
school
schools.
students.
Okay, children. That question will you write? Because
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
take time if I start writing.
Okay, ma'am.
So will you, when you finish it, you tell me.
My mother's phone is not with me.
Mother,
My mother is not here.
Textbook 9.4, exercise 9.4.
okay. Exercise 9.4, first question.
First two.
Exercise 9.4, first question. Do you have the textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Exercise 9.4, first question. Okay. And I send one more question. Exercise 9.4 means page number 202. Page number 202. 202. 9.4, first question. And second question also I sent. Two questions. One question you do now. Sometimes second question, if I did not get time, I'll give it as a homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I show it once again? This one. Second question, if I did not get time, you do it as a homework. First question I will do.
Ma'am, can you tell?
Write the question. Write the question. Afterwards, I will explain it. When you finish it, we will start drawing.
Graph book or in the notes?
Graph book, graph book. In the graph
Ma'am,
book.
you have to only draw the box, right?
Ma'am,
You have to
so
only draw that box. Ma'am, we should write the question in the notes or in
No.
the graph book.
Children, wait. Do you have the graph book with you?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So in the graph book, that ruled side, no?
Side. Okay, ma'am.
That ruled side, you write the question. And Monday, when I come, I will show that notes. How we should cut and paste the graph in the notes. So no need of carrying both the notes and graph book together. In the same notes, if we see the graph book, graph paper, it will be easy. Monday I will show. Afterwards, you cut and paste. Okay.
Ma'am, so is it okay to write the question with the pen?
Question with the pen is enough, no problem. But drawing in the graph sheet, you always use pencil, sharpened pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the question is survey of school, that right? Ma'am,
Survey of 120.
Yes. A survey of 120 school students. Playing, reading storybooks, watching TV, like that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Show the screen once more.
Oh my God. Wait. This one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do the question in notes and in the
Write the
rule paper.
question. Somewhere in the notes or in the graph book, somewhere you write the question.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm starting to draw. Okay, children, when you read the question, you will understand that something is given in that. Draw a bar graph to illustrate the above data, taking a scale of 1 unit length equal to 5 students. Did you understand that? See that what is the common factor in that number? 45, 30, 20, 10 and 5? 5 is the common factor,
5.
right? All are multiples of 5. So 5 students enough. Okay, 5 students enough. And when you start drawing, the graph papers, bar graph size will be reduced. And children, I will show you. You have to start from 0 onwards. Okay, 0 onwards. And continuously, if you are taking 5 units, 5 students, look at here. Look at here, children. When you start drawing the bar graph, look at here, everybody, please. Here, you start, here it is last, small number is 10.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
data, one small, last number is smallest number of this data is 10. Okay. Hello. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the data 45, 30, 20, 10 and 15. No. In that, smallest number is 10. So you will be thinking of starting from 10. But you don't start from 10. You have to start from 5 onwards because we have taken the scale as 5 units. So don't start from 10. You have to take 5, 10, all multiples of 5. 5 and all multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you may be thinking of taking it from 10, but don't take because we have taken the scale as 5 units. So 5 from here 0, 5, 10, multiples of 5, 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Last highest number is 45. So up to 45, you write multiples. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let me try to draw the graph paper. One graph tool is there. Table. Let me check. You draw the graph. I will explain it. Okay, children? Okay, you wrote the question like this. Here you have to write the scale. 1 unit equal to 5 students. Y-axis. Yes, y-axis. Then X, Y, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total you have taken. There, here you have to mark. Okay. You should mark as 1 centimeter each, 1 unit each. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. And you have to leave some space and start drawing. First one is 45. You can shade it. Second one is 30. Third one is 20. Fourth one is 10. And fifth one is 15.
I'm finished.
Nice. Here inside you can write this: playing, reading storybooks, reading storybooks. Next one, watching TV.
Ma'am, can we write with the pen inside so it
No,
will be
no, only pencil. Watching TV, graph paper, only pencil. Listening to music.
Ma'am, we will write like this, right? Number of students in the x-axis and y-axis.
Yes, you have to write. Painting. Okay. X, Y. And here activities. No? Activities. X-axis we have displayed activities, and y-axis it is number of students.
Student.
Number of students. Is it easy to draw?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So after draw, yes. Okay. See that x-axis and y-axis, are you darkening? You have to darkening it. You have to draw. See children? 1 minute. Okay, children. Here is your graph paper. And inside, this is your graph, that green color or red color. Green color. Isn't it?
Ma'am.
So what you have to do is, when you draw the graph, you should take your pencil and draw here that white space and starting of green line. No, white space and starting of green line.
Yes, ma'am.
There you have to darken and give the arrow mark. There you have to draw the baseline, x-axis and y-axis. X, O, Y. Clear? And on the top of this, you have to draw your bars like this. So darken these baselines with the pencil. With the pencil. Okay. Then one more important thing I want to tell you. When you look at that score, you will write that small score. I used to see that. Some children will write the small score as the downwards. This is the first one, 10. 10. I used to see. Some children will write 10, 15, 10, 15, 20, 30, 45. Is it correct?
Ma'am.
Is it correct?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, because we have taken the scale. We have taken the scale of 5 units. That means everything will be multiple of 5. Everything should be multiple of 5. So 0, 5, it should be uniform. The distance gap should be same, equal spacing. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that you have to do. This is wrong. This one is wrong. This is correct. Now children, look at the second question which I have sent you. Will you tell that, will you read that question, it is 65, 40, 30, 50,
And the
20.
number of
Yes, ma'am.
the number of mathematics books
Mathematics books solved by a
by a
shopkeeper.
Solved by a
Okay,
shop.
okay.
on
Okay,
6
children, I'll
consecutive
read
days.
that. 65, 40, 30, 50, 20, 70. So which is the scale you should take? Scale, y-axis. Which is the common factor most commonly coming? Which is the common factor?
10.
10, 10. Don't take 5 because on 5 only once 5 is coming, 65. Clear?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you
Ma'am.
take 10 because only 7 gaps should be there. If you take 5, it will be very long. Clear? And how I will
Ma'am.
show you how to draw 5. How to draw 5. How to mark 5. Okay. See? Here, children, you have your graph paper and there are some lines, darkened line in this, right? Huh? And in between, you can see some small line.
Yes, ma'am.
There will be 10 small lines, 10. And look at here. And in between, you can see some middle line like this.
Middle lines.
Middle line.
Like a
That
plus.
denotes 5. Clear? So
Okay,
if it is 0, 10. That middle line, no, small line,
Yes, ma'am.
that represents 5. So this middle line is 15. Next middle line is 25, like that. Clear?
Okay,
So how
ma'am.
will you mark 65?
We don't need to write the 5 one, right?
How will you mark
Ma'am,
65?
after 16,
After
middle
16,
line.
So
middle
0,
line.
10, 20, like that. Then 60 and 70, no. In
And 70
between,
is half of
in
70.
between that half line shows 65. Clear?
Okay.
So you draw the bar like this. So will you do it as a homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall I wind up the class now? It is time.
Okay, ma'am.
So that is the homework
Okay,
for
ma'am.
you. So draw the bar graph and next day you have to bring the activities. Today I did not get the time to ask you. I'll send the message.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Do the homework, okay? Do the
Okay,
homework.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Activity are route to sorry. What is the activity?
Polygons, right?
Polygons. Irrational numbers,
Pending.
9th standard. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you.
ma'am.